Hello guys, and welcome back to Unless Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Final Fantasy DGXI error on PC, and let's get straight into the video. So the main fix for this error is going to be to just updating your drivers, and if you don't know how to do that, I'll show you in this video. The first method you guys can do is hit Windows and R at the same time until this pops up. When this pops up, you want to type in dev.mgmt.msc in the search bar, and then you want to go ahead and hit OK. Now, once you go ahead and hit OK, Device Manager will pop up, and you want to look for display adapters. Once you find your display adapters, right-click on your drivers, hit Update Drivers, and go ahead and hit Search automatically for drivers. Now, this will update your drivers. This is one way to do it for NVIDIA and AMD both, I believe. Now, if you only want to do it through AMD, you could go ahead and X out of here. You can X out of Device Manager. You can go ahead and look for GeForce Experience because you should automatically have it downloaded on your PC. But even if you don't, go over to Google, just type in GeForce Experience. You can install it from there. And if this is only if you have NVIDIA. Anyways, open up GeForce Experience. Once GeForce Experience is open, go ahead and just hit not now. Up to you. Doesn't really matter, but just hit not now. Go over to drivers, and then now you want to make sure it says you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You want to make sure there's a check because that means it's up to date. However, if it is not up to date, you can go ahead and just hit check for updates. Now, it should say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, but anyways, it should say if there's like an installation. One is custom and one is express, and you want to go ahead and hit express installation, and that will automatically download the latest driver. You might have to restart your PC after as well. Now, once you're done with updating your drivers through that way, you can go ahead and X out. Should be a similar process on AMD. You might have to just search up the latest drivers on Google and install it from the AMD's website from there. But other than that, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.